back to the CSC Garage. Today we're going to be looking at the installation of the FT1000MD rear rack on a mid-drive CSC e-bike. James, why don't you show us the easiest way to install one of these racks?
Right on. This is a pretty cool little rack. It fits many bikes, so it's a universal rack. The only thing is you may have to do a little bending on the things. You can see that they're a little far away. So let's just bring these up just a little bit, like Superman. And we'll just put them right there. So that's close there. And we'll do all these here. So now once you've got the arms bent kind of where they should go, everything else is pretty simple. I always start at the bottom down here. And these are all 10mm bolts and nuts, so start there. Got a washer, or a bolt, a washer, and a nut. So these are loosely put in there, and then do the same thing up on top there. And then you just snug them all up. Still tight on each one there. And you're all set.
Thanks again for joining us at the CSC Garage. If you need any aftermarket parts or accessories for your CSC e-bike, please be sure to check us out at csc-ebikes.com and enjoy the ride.